So you may have noticed if you look at your Alex calculator while you've been doing this work, or a different calculator, on your calculator you have a button for log, which is log base 10, and you have a button for natural log, which is log base e, right? And that button looks like a LN. But our base of a logarithm can be anything, right? It could be 4, it could be pi. So instead of having, well, you can't have infinite buttons, right? So we need a way to turn the base of the logarithm into something we can work with on our calculator. So the first thing I want you to notice here is we have log base a of b. So we say log base a, right? So it's going to go on the bottom of our fraction. And then the b value, whatever that is on top, okay? So then what we do is to compute it, we just decide what we want c to be, what we want the base in here to be. We can either have it be a 10, so then we're using the log button, or it could be an e, and we would use the natural log button. So let's look at doing this. So here I have log base 8 of 3. So to be able to do that in my calculator, I would have to do the log of 3 over the log of 8. Remember, the base is always going to be on the bottom, okay? Or I could do the natural log of 3 over the natural log of 8. I'll get the same answer both ways, so it doesn't matter which one we do. And we get, let's see, what does it say? Round to the nearest thousandth, so that's 3 decimal places. So 0.528. If I have log base 1/5 of 4, how about the natural log of 4 over the natural log of 1/5? Natural log of 4, natural log of 1/5. I get negative 0.861. So it doesn't matter if you use log or natural log, right? The biggest deal is, remember, base is on the bottom. So this is log base 4 of 1/3. So I could rewrite that as the log of 1/3 divided by the log of 4, base is on the bottom, log of 1/3 divided by the log of 4. And that is negative 0.792. The important thing is that you choose one, right? You can't do log for the numerator and natural log for the denominator.